Hey guys, I wanted to show you a really quick and easy recipe for some peanut butter fudge. This is pretty much a no-cook recipe, and you use two ingredients. You use creamy peanut butter. I usually use Peter Pan or Skippy or Jif. Name brands usually taste a little bit better for this recipe. But you're going to use 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, and you're going to use 1 tub of vanilla frosting. Now, you do not want to get the whipped or any kind of, special vanilla frosting. Just get the regular plain vanilla frosting. And the only thing you're going to do is you're going to heat the vanilla frosting in the microwave for 1 minute. No more, no less. 1 minute exactly. And you're going to pour it over 1 cup of creamy peanut butter. Stir it together until it's mixed really well. Put it in a pan and let it harden up. You can put it in the fridge. You can put it in the freezer if you want it to, harden up faster. This is a really good, smooth and creamy fudge recipe. There's no gritty taste to it. There's, nothing like that. It's really, really good. So try that one if you need a really last-minute dessert idea. Peanut butter and vanilla frosting. Thanks for stopping by.